everyone, this is in Qidong area of Jiangsu, Nantong. We're here at the production site of Balance Group. As far as we know, the Balance Group have different factories in Shanghai, in Guangzhou, and in Jiangsu. This one is in Qidong, which has 39,000 square meters, a very big production site. We have our vehicle lifts here. In our factory, we always serve our customer with care and with very unique, talented, and innovative design. And we have strong power in R&D. So please come to our live streaming of the 127th Qidong Fair. You will enjoy all the great introduction of the products that made here and the other production site of Balance Group. See you in Qidong Fair. Hope you will enjoy. This is really a very busy workshop. We are still in Qidong production site of Balance Group. This is the auto bending area. The machine works here ensures best quality and precision of bending operation. The precision can reach up to 0.5 mm. With 100% CNC control, the highly automation level guarantees the efficiency and consistency of the finished products. Now we are moving to auto welding area. This is the welding machine. It can ensure high precision during work. The quality of the finished products is very high. The consistency and reliability of our auto welding capacity made Balance Group famous around the world. Now I would like to show you some of the products we made. Please take a close look to the weld seam. It's quite neat and bright, almost shining. The customers are extremely satisfied with this perfect welding effect. This is the spray coating line of Qidong production site. We have been working hard to provide you with the best quality in every finished product. The inspection of products are extremely strict. You can see that the coating line is really long, and the color looks quite beautiful and flawless. We have won tremendous recognition of the smooth coating surface among our customers. Welcome to Balance production site to learn more about our spray coating line.